Hi friends, this video shows how to find lost TV remote using Bluetooth without using Wi-Fi. So first we need to install this Google Home app. I already installed Google Home app in this mobile phone. Let me check Wi-Fi. You can see right now Wi-Fi is off. Right now I am using only Bluetooth. Okay. Let me open this Google Home app. Then we need to log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Here we need to add TV. I already added TV. Here you can see the TV name. If you want to add TV, you can tap on this add button. You need Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to add TV. After that, you can turn off Wi-Fi. See. Then let me tap on this TV name. See, it's failed because Wi-Fi is off. That is not a problem. You can tap on the settings icon over here. And here you can see find my remote option. Tap here. Tap on play sound. This feature find my remote is working based on Bluetooth. So we don't need Wi-Fi here. Tap on play sound. See, now it's playing sound on remote. This way we can find lost TV remote. If you want to stop this sound, you can tap on stop. Or you can press any button on the remote. That way also you can stop. Okay. So this way we can find lost TV remote using Bluetooth. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.